Today we will continue exercise 13.2, question number 7. So till question number 6 we already have done. Now question number 7 is a solid consisting of right circular cone. It is exercise 13.2. 13.2 number 7. A solid consisting of right circular cone of height 120 centimeter. It is a solid consisting right circular cone of height 120 centimeter. This is 120 centimeter. And the radius is 60 centimeter, standing on hemisphere of radius of same radius, standing on hemisphere of same radius, that is 60 centimeter, is placed upright in a right circular cylinder. Now here is another component, that is cylinder. Now this solid upright in this right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Now we have to make here this solid inside the cylinder. Okay, this solid is upright on the right circular cylinder which is full of water so that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder. If the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter, now radius of cylinder is 60 centimeter, it is 60 centimeter. Now total height is 180 centimeter. So total height of the cylinder is 180 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the volume of water left in the cylinder after immersing this solid inside the cylinder. Now height of cone is given. Height of cone, it is small h equals to 120 centimeter. Height of cylinder is this is capital H equals to 180 centimeter. Now all the radius are same. Radius of cone is 60 centimeter, radius of hemisphere 60, radius of cylinder is also 60, means radius R equals to 60 centimeter. So this radius is for cone, hemisphere and cylinder. For calculating the volume of water left in the cylinder, we have to subtract the volume of this cylinder minus volume of solid. Volume of cylinder minus volume of solid gives the volume of water left in the cylinder. So therefore volume of water left in the cylinder equals to volume of cylinder minus inside the bracket volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Now first we have to write the formula. What is the volume of cylinder? Formula of volume of cylinder, it is pi r square h minus here volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h, 1/3 pi r square small h, plus volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. Now put the value. What is pi? Pi is 22/7 and radius is 60 into 60 into h is 180 minus here 1/3 into value of pi is 22/7 into radius is 60 into 60 into 120 plus here 2/3 into value of pi is 22/7 into r cube is 60 into 60 into 60. It is in centimeter cube. Now multiply this 22 into 3600 into 180 divided by 7 minus, we can cut here 313 320. So 2 into 6 is 12, it is 1200. 22 into 1200 into 120 divided by 7 plus here 313 3 into 20 is 60, 22 into 2 is 44 into 2 into 20, 2 into 6 is 12, 1200 into 60 divided by 7 centimeter cube. Now multiply this 22 into 3600. 36 into 22, 2 6 12, 2 3 6 7, 2 6 12, 2 6 12, 2 3 6 7, 2 6 12, 2 3 6 7. So it is 297. This equals to. Now again we have to multiply with 180, 18, 8 2, 16, 8 7, 8 9, 72, 73, 8 1, 8 plus 7 is 15. So 1 2 2, 199, 177. So this equals to 6, 5, 4, 9. So this equals to 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3 divided by 7 minus, okay, first check it, 2, 6, 8, 2, 16, 8, 9, 72, 73, 8, 7, 56. Oh, here it is wrong. 8 2 16, 8 9 72 73, 8 7 56, 8 7 56 plus 7 63 into 1 2 2, 199, 177. So this is 6 3 2, 5 9 3, 12, 6 7 13 14. So it is 1 2 3. Here 1 4 2 5 6 000 minus, again we have to multiply 22 into 12 into 12 is 144, 144 into 22, 248, 248, 212, 882, 8613. So this is, there are 3 zeros. So here 3168 000 divided by 7 inside the bracket plus 44 into 6 12 72, 72 into 44, 428, 4728, 428, 4728, 8 613 3168123 divided by 7 centimeter cube. Now take LCM. Now LCM, it is 14256 divided by 7 minus, now inside the bracket there is 7 is LCM. Now these two are same, so we can add 3168 000 3168 000 000 6 6 6 12 13 1 2 3 3 3 6. So this equals to, we can directly write 633 6 centimeter cube. Now take again LCM is 7. LCM is 7. 14256 minus 6336 centimeter cube. So this equals to 14256 6336 532 1239, then 1367. This equals to 792 zeros divided by 7 centimeter cube. Now divide 792 by 7. 792 717 0 left, 9 now 97172 22 7321. One left, now 0 7173 left, 0 7428 2 left, 0 72 14 6 left, 0 78 56 4 left, now 0 put point here, 75 35. So this equals to 1131428.5 centimeter cube. Now this is the answer of question number 7. Okay, now question number 8. Okay, question number 8 is, a spherical vessel has cylindrical neck, 8 centimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the sphere is, spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. Check whether C is correct or not. Taking the above as the inside measurement and pi equals to 3.14. First we will consider, so height of cylindrical neck is, height of cylindrical neck equals to, h equals to 8 centimeter diameter is 2 centimeter, radius r equals to 1 centimeter. Now diameter of spherical part, diameter of spherical part equals to 8.5 centimeter. So radius is 8.5 divided by 2 centimeter. Now we can calculate volume directly. So volume of vessel equals to volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. Volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. Why volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere? Because vessel has cylindrical neck and the sphere. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So pi is 3.14 into 1 into 1 into 8 plus 4 by 3 into pi is 3.14 into 8.5 by 2 into 8.5 by 2 into 8.5 by 2 centimeter cube. Now we can cut 212, 224, 212, 212, 212, 2 into 1.57. So this equals to 3.14 into 8 is 3.14. 3.14 into 1 is 3.14. So 3.14 into 8. 8 4 32. 8 1 8 9 10 11. 8 3 24. 25. So this is 25.12. Now multiply this. 8.5 into 8.5 is 72.25. 72.25. Again multiply with 8. 8.2, 8.5, 5, 5, 25, 5 to 10, 11, 12, 5 to 10, 11, 5, 7, 35, 36, into 8, 5, 40, 8 to 16, 20, 0, 8 to 16, 18, 8, 7, 56, 57. So 5, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 614 plus 1.57 by 3 into 614.125 divided by not divided by only this much. Okay, centimeter cube. Now again we have to multiply 1.57 into 114.125. 614.125 into 1.57. 7 5 35, 7 2 14, 17, 7 1 7 8, 7 4 28, 7 1 7, 8 9, 7 6 42, into 5 5 25, 5 2 10 11 12, 5 1 5 6, 5 4 20, 5 1 5 6 7, 5 6 30, into 1 5 5, 1 2 2, 1 1 1, 1 4 4, 1 1 1, 1 6 6, 5 7 5 12, 8 2 10 15, 16, 14 16, 17, 9 1 10 11, 7 2 9, 4, 13, 14, 4, 1, 5, 6, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this equals to 2512 plus 964.17625 divided by 3 centimeter cube. Now divide 964.17625 by 3. Nine six 4.17625 divided by 3, 339. Here 0 left, no, 6, 326, 4, 313, 1.1339, 2, 7, 38, 24, 39, 27, 39, 27, 6, 3, 2, 6. Okay, leave it. So this equals to 25.12 plus 321.392 centimeter cube. So this equals to, now add this, 2, 9, 11. Now it is 2, 9 to 11, 1, 3145.516, 4, 346.512 centimeter cube. So C's answer was this 345. Now our calculation is 346.512. So C is not correct. Thus C is not correct. Not correct. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.